Welcome back to another episode of Bass Bros, and today we're actually on Michael's property here. We're going to be doing a bushcraft cabin build, building an underground oven to cook an entire turkey for Thanksgiving, so it's going to be a fun video. Y'all stay tuned. I always forget what I'm going to say. Just stay tuned. We're having fun. Oh my gosh, that is a giant turkey. How big is the turkey did you buy?
So it's a 28-pound turkey. I kind of figured maybe there might be one other guy, but it's just me and Joey, so we're gonna be eating turkey for a long time.
Well, we're certainly not going hungry, but that's gonna take a long time to cook, so we gotta get a fire going right now.
Which we do anyway.
Like, honestly, what happened to Bushcraft, dude?
Get off there.
Starting the cabin build here, and I've never really even watched a video on this or done any research, so we're winging this entire thing. Let's see if we can build a cabin. We definitely aren't going to finish it today, but we're going to get about as far as we can, and then in the future we're going to come back and just continue working on this as like a little bushcraft project. But got the fire rolling here. We're going to let that burn down so we get a bunch of coals, and then we're going to make some sort of underground oven to cook this turkey. Well, it's time to cook our massive 28-pound turkey here. And we got plenty of coals. We just got to dig a little hole and bury this thing. This thing is so heavy. Oh.
Dude, that's so warm.
What are we doing right now?
I don't know.
Have you seen someone do this before? Well, the audio isn't working in this clip, but what I was saying is that we buried the turkey, I think, and then we're gonna build a fire over top of the turkey and let this thing kind of sit here for approximately 4 hours, and hopefully it's good. Kept running in the woods alone instead. Somewhere, somehow, I guess I lost it all. Try to keep it up and standing tall. Why don't you stay, stay, 'cause I could really use a friend. Stay, please stay, 'cause my heart really needs a man. Just made a little bit of potatoes for an appetizer, if you will, I guess. That's amazing. But we still have like at least 2 hours until that thing's done. Maybe longer, I don't know. We actually have no idea. It could be done right now, and then we just burn it. I highly doubt that. Got the shelter up for the night. We didn't get far at all with this log cabin, but mark my words, in one video we're gonna have this thing complete. But right now, this looks like an amazing tarp shelter, so I will take it. It's so beautiful. Well, it's been exactly 4 hours since we buried this turkey, so it's time to dig her up, and hopefully it's cooked. Or is it a him? Do you know if it was a male or female turkey? I don't know. You don't know? Okay.
We completely missed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. No.
Yeah, we did.
No.
That might not be good.
No.
No.
Oh no. There's the body.
Moment of truth.
I think we totally missed it, Joey.
Oh no, chat.
No, it's totally raw. No, we totally missed the turkey, man.
No, dude.
Oh gosh.
It's literally just...
It's raw. I'm gonna cry.
I can't believe it. I don't know how we did that, guys, but we completely like missed the turkey where we built the fire. It's completely raw. I'm so hungry, dude. And now we gotta wait like another hour to eat so we can cook at least some of it. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Hope you're having an amazing time with your family this week. Whenever you're watching this video. We are not having an amazing... No, I'm actually having an amazing time right now.
Yeah,
this is funny. We're gonna cook this thing though, and we're gonna eat it. We're doing this again, and we're gonna get it right. Maybe with like a smaller chicken, so it doesn't take 5 hours. Well, we could have actually just dug it up within 30 minutes, and it'd still be the same. We're just gonna start cutting off little chunks of the turkey, and just cook it over in this cast iron.
Oh yeah, that's rough. Yeah.
The first few pieces that are actually cooked. Let's give this thing a try. Yeah, that looks good. I can really taste that spray butter and seasoned salt. It's really helping it a lot. But I'm so hungry right now, I could probably just like eat a grasshopper and think it tastes good. So Michael also provided some Boston Cooler burners. I've never tried this flavor, but as being a Michigander, Burners is my favorite because Michigan's the best state. Changed my mind. You can't. Wow, that's phenomenal.
Sounds like cold actually sometimes. Too lazy right now.
I'm hitting the protein intake today, that's for sure.
Take a chill.
Well, it's got the sleeping situation all set up. Got some Eastern White Pine tea. Just gonna chill out here at the fire, enjoy some nice warm tea, then probably drift off to sleep. So catch you guys in the morning.
Turkey anymore.
Good morning, everybody. It is a ripe 22 degrees this morning. Got my coffee. It's like boiling hot, but I'm gonna need some warmness in me though. We're skipping out on the turkey this morning. We're just making potatoes because we don't feel like dealing with all that right now. And I gotta take off here because I have a rock climbing camp, guys. Why am I doing a rock climbing tournament? I'm not even good at it. See, this is what happens when we let Michael cook. Absolutely just burnt everything, but it's fine.
The pan, bro.
And they're still hard, dude. Well, everything's packed up. About to hike the long, grueling, like couple hundred feet to the car. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. We're gonna make this a continued series of trying to build up this log cabin back here, so y'all stay tuned for those videos. And drop a fat thumbs up if you enjoyed. And as always, folks, fish with passion.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know.